What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we have a quick video for you. I'm gonna show you a really cool car cover that I just picked up for the Nissan GTR. So if you have a really cool sports car that you wanna have covered inside or outside, Suparee is a great place to check out. I will have them linked down below. Our subscribers even get a discount using the discount code BFS. I'll have all that linked down below, as well as their link to all their different car covers. They have some for the Camaros, the Mustang, Teslas, Jeeps, and then a few others. The cover that we have today is for a Camaro or a Mustang, I believe. It's pretty much the exact same size as a GTR. So I figured I really liked the Jeep one we had for the red Jeep that Mike used to own. So I figured I would get a nice one for the GTR that I will end up using for the Nissan Z when it gets here, because it's a pretty decently sized car that's similar in size to this. So it should work really well. But here it is right now. It comes with its own carrying case, which is a pretty cool way to stow it and transport it. And then the actual car cover I have inside, it's in a plastic bag. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what it looks like. The one on the Jeep was really good material, and it was even waterproof for the most part. And this one is black, so it's a little bit more inconspicuous, which I'm really gonna like. So let's just take off this piece, just holding it all together. And then I guess we'll set you guys up on a tripod and we'll further unpackage it and see how well it covers the GTR and how nicely it looks. All right, so we're just gonna unfold it. There is a green spot right here, which looks to be a mirror.
So I think I have the front then.
I think this is the front. And the inside is all lined in like foam, so it's really nice where it's not gonna scratch anything.
That should be a zipper for the driver door then.
Yeah. So we gotta lift it up and over the car now. Yeah. There we go. All right, so I think that is all installed. So then let's take you guys on a closer look at how this cover sits. So I believe this one is the Mustang cover, which like I said, the Mustang and the GTR are almost identical as far as their dimensions. My spoiler is probably a little bit bigger than what a Mustang gets. But if you take a look, on this passenger side, we have a strap that you're gonna put underneath the car, and we'll see what that connects to on the other side in just a second. But then in each corner for your wheels, you have these really heavy duty nylon straps that you can tie to the spokes. And that way, if it's outside and in the wind, it's gonna stay nice and snug. That way it's not just beating against your car. And like I mentioned, we have nice white felt on the inside that's not gonna scratch your car or anything like that. And of course, I always make sure my car is clean before putting a cover on it. That way nothing is gonna scratch anything. And then over on the mirrors, you can see how we have the bright visibility yellow. So if the mirrors were extended outward, they're gonna fit perfectly. But even with my mirrors folded in, you can see just how nice that works. And then you got the same one for the front wheel. And then looking at the actual front bumper, we have a nice lime green stripe as well with more of the high visibility. And it is a reflector at night. So if it's outside, other cars can see it at night, which is a really cool touch. And then moving over to the driver's side, of course, we have the same mirror setup. And then we have this hook right here. And actually that's cool, I didn't notice that. We have a clip. So this will be attached to the other side, and you just clip it into place and snug it down nice and tight. That way there's not gonna be any slack. And then I really love what Suparee does. We get a zipper right here for the driver's side, and I can unzip this all the way up to the roof of the car. And then if the car is locked outside, it gives you a convenient way to at least get into the driver's side, which is really cool, because obviously, you don't want to have to take the cover completely off if you just need to get back to your car or something. And then let's get to the back end. You can see we have a corner spot with more of the visibility, and then it just barely covers the exhaust. I can just pull down a little bit more and get it around the exhaust. But there we go, a really nice car cover for the vehicle. Again, this one's for a Mustang. They have the Camaro, they have Teslas, then all the Jeeps as well. So if you have a sports car, check out some of the ones they have and look at the dimensions, because this one fits really good on the GTR. I know this would perfectly fit the R8 as well. And then when the Z gets here, this cover is definitely gonna fit it really well since the Z is a little bit smaller than the GTR. But there's a quick video I wanted to show you of the GTR with a nice car cover on it. I think it's a really good thing to have, especially if you do have to park your car outside, or if you're just storing it inside for a longer period of time. You know, it keeps the dust off, and of course being all blacked out, you know, the windows on the garage door, you can't obviously tell what's underneath the car cover. And we've used the other cover quite a lot. I've actually used it when I had the Supra, I've used it on the GTR, and we've kind of fit it on the truck. However, they do have a Jeep Gladiator one, which probably would fit a Tacoma. But there we go, cool car cover to get. Again, check out Suparee's website, linked down below. I will have their link to all of their car covers, and keep in mind, you guys all get a discount. You can use the code BFS and save like 12% on your order, so definitely take advantage of that. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, quick one for the day. If you did, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And the good news is, it actually does fit in the car cover case that it comes with.